Students, good morning. Today's subject is aim, aim, underline. Aim means focus on a particular subject. If you have a good aim and you try, definitely you can win that goal. First, you want to become a doctor, that is your aim. Always think and put your effort, work hard. You can become a doctor, not a doctor, become an expert doctor. But in between, if you neglect that aim, you can't. That every day you nourish it and try to develop that aim. One day you can become a great man. Suppose you want to make a rich or become a rich man. When you work hard, put your money in the bank, save that money. Small drops make great blood. Similarly, after a few years, your small amount become a multi and crore rupees. You can invest in that any business. Within a few years, become a great businessman. So everybody should have an aim, good aim. I want to grow, I want to grow, I want to become a rich man, I want to become an engineer, then I want to become senior engineer. So all these aim make you a great person. Always the dream or aim fly in your heart and thought, I want to grow. So this type of aim make you a great person. Life without aim, a ship without aim, a moving here and there, east, west, not like that. Aim should be like an arrow, should focus on that. I want to become so and so, I want to become. This aim definitely will make you a great person. Scientists, they are doing research in the laboratory. They are focusing on that aim. For example, Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb. His main aim to light in the darkness. He was not so qualified. His main aim was to invent electric bulb. More than 1,000 times the electric bulb completely off while passing the current. He tried and tried. After thousands of times he tried. At last the bulb started giving light and heat. Succeed. Because his aim was focused on that bulb. He invented electric bulb. He became famous. He was not so qualified because his main aim was to invent electric bulb. That he succeeded, and he was known as the king of invention. Similarly, everything based upon our interest and aim. If you have already aim, you can reach that goal. Christopher Columbus discovered America. He started a voyage to the deepest ocean. After many days, along with his friends, he traveled in an ordinary boat. After many days, faced obstacles and problems. Even his friends also became enemy during this journey or voyage through deepest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Last, after many weeks, he discovered America, the beautiful place, the superpower. He discovered his main aim was focus on I want to discover something, I want to discover. At last his aim became fulfilled. Columbus discovered America in 1492, around 600 years back. Similarly, if you have a dream that you have to nourish it, you have to make it great every day, think it. I want to reach that goal, I want to reach that goal, I want to become a scientist, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a businessman, I want to become like Ambani, I want to become like Tata. I want to become like Bill Gates. All these things you focus on and try because there is no meaning in impossible. That word impossible completely removed from dictionary. Instead of that impossible, I am possible. This should be your motto. Everything is possible. Nothing impossible in this world. You just see man gone out of space, Mars. See, what is our brain work doing? Thinking and planning. So it says within a few days, in few years, human beings can go and settle in the Mars. It is like Earth. That is seeing. Qualified scientists start thinking. Their main aim was how we can live in the Mars. It is like Earth. So every day you try. One day you can achieve that goal. That is everywhere happening. Without aim, there is no meaning. Meaningless life. Always keep a good aim in your brain. You can try. One day you can achieve that goal. Okay? Have a nice day, all of you. May Almighty God bless all of you.